In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch convert files using the multi-file operation tool. First, make sure the files you want to work with are saved somewhere you can easily find them. When you're ready, open the application. By default, you'll be directed straight to the home screen, which is where we'll start. Along the bottom of the screen, you'll see a navigation bar. Go ahead and select Tools. This is the hub for all the handy utilities, including anything that works with more than one file at a time. Inside Tools, look for an option labeled Multi-File Operation, sometimes shown as Batch Process. This section is designed to run the same action on multiple files in one go, so it's perfect for saving time. We'll use the Convert option as our example today. Convert takes your existing files and prepares them in a different format, and the overall flow is similar for other batch actions. Next, add your files. In the free version, you can upload only 2 files at a time, so choose the 2 that matter most right now. Use the upload prompt to select them and give the app a moment to list them in the queue. It's a good idea to double check the file names so you don't process the wrong items. Once your files appear and everything looks correct, click Apply. Apply is the button that actually starts the batch process using the current settings. As soon as you click it, the app will begin converting those files in the background. Now wait for several minutes while the process completes. The exact time depends on file size, complexity, and your device's performance. During this period, keep the app open and avoid putting your device to sleep to prevent interruptions. Many apps show a progress bar or a spinning indicator. That's normal. If it seems to pause briefly, give it a little time. Larger files can take longer to process. When the conversion finishes, you should see a confirmation or a status indicator next to each file. Your converted files will be ready to view or use right away. And that's it. You opened the application, went to Tools at the bottom, selected Multi-File Operation for a batch workflow, chose Convert, uploaded 2 files in the free version, clicked Apply, and then waited a few minutes for everything to complete. Follow these same steps anytime you need a quick 2-file batch conversion.